All right, guys, take a look at the lights. Really cool, guys. Hello, my friend. Today we are showing you DRC's four-wheel drive off-road truck, rated for ages 8 and older. We're gonna unbox it and show you guys everything you get and then demonstrate this for you so you know what you're getting. I love it. Everything comes protected in plastic. Instruction manual. Care for your battery. Oh, look at this, guys. This is so cool. So it's going to be protected by this plastic, and there's a couple things. You can take it off or you can keep it on. They recommend you take it off. I keep it on if I'm going to be rough housing it, driving through stick stones and, to keep the body nice, but you can take it off and it looks much nicer underneath. It's way shinier and more presentable. Take a look at this. You got LED lights on the bottom here. You got a light bar on the front. That is so cool, guys. This is your remote control. Pull down to go forward, push up for brake and reverse. Turn here to turn left and right. Power button right on here. You have your headlights. You have the body lights. You have your steering, trim, driving, and so much more on here. Let's go ahead and see what kind of batteries you need. Okay, my friends, it takes 4 AA batteries for the remote. To access the battery bay, you pull out these pins and you take the body off. When you're pulling the body off, be careful of the wires. Don't just rip it right off. What I recommend doing is kind of twist it at an angle and set it down. That way it's not putting too much strain on the wires and rip the wires out. Here we can see where your battery goes in here, and you just simply twist this over here, and this should allow us to pop it right off. You put your battery in here, connect it onto here. You have your power button right here. There's your motor. Overall, really nice. I cannot wait to get testing this out. I do have to say, this is the battery. You get 2 of them, and look, they actually have a battery indicator light on here. So you press it and it shows you what power you have left. That is really cool, and you get 2 of these batteries. Accessories, you get your screwdriver, taking your tires on and off, some other accessories on here as well. We're charging our battery, and once it's fully charged, we will test this out for y'all. So these lights are really cool, and you can change them. So cool, guys. Look at all the color combinations. We got fading to multi other colors. Oh, so cool. Of course, you can change your underglow lights. I mean, this is really cool, guys. Easily drive this at nighttime with no problems. It's just so cool. And there's so many combinations. Look at this mode. That is awesome. Brake light, front bar. I mean, you can change everything. So you can change it all kinds of colors. Overall, guys, a lot of fun.